Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 9. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. That is question number A is A is minus 3 into dash is equal to 27. Here you see this sign is plus, that means you have to put here a minus sign because minus into minus is plus. Minus, and it is 27. We know that 3 9 is 27, that it will be minus 9. Minus 9. Right? Now you multiply here 3 into 9, that is 27. Minus into minus is plus, that is plus 27. Now question number B is 5 into dash is equal to minus 35. Here there is a minus sign, that means this will be minus because minus into plus is minus, and it is 7 because 5 into minus 7 is 35, right? That is plus into minus is minus, and 5 into 7 is 35, right? Now question number C is dash into minus 8 is equal to minus 56. Here the sign is minus, here minus is given, that means this sign will be plus, right? This sign will be plus, and you know that 7 8 is 56, therefore the answer will be 7, right? 7 into 8, it is 56, and plus into minus is minus. Now question number D. Question number D is dash into minus 12 is equal to 132, right? 132. Then so to divide 132 by 12. Divide 132 by 12, that is 12 1 is 12, 12 1 is 12, 1 12, 12 1 is 12. Therefore if we multiply 12 with 11, we will get 132, right? That means if we multiply 12 into 11, that will come to 132. But here you see the sign is positive, therefore we know that minus into minus is plus, that is equal to minus 11, right? That is minus 11 into minus 12, that is comes to 132, right? Here you see minus into minus is plus, and 11 into 12, that is 132. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.